Hello and welcome to Eco Crafts with Crystal. Today we are repurposing a paper towel roll. Easy peasy. When you're done with your paper towels, get a paper towel roll. We are going to make little giraffes. All right, so now I'm going to go through all the materials. So 1, you will need the paper towel roll. 2, some scissors. We're going to cut and make their head, their neck, and their legs. A paintbrush and paint. I chose orange paint for the body and brown paint for the spots, but you can always choose any color. Your giraffes can be rainbow, they can be pink and blue, they can be any color that you want or have. You could also draw this on. I'm going to paint. And I also have googly eyes. You can also draw on eyes and of course glue to glue on the googly eyes. These craft videos are for parents and teachers to do with their students and their kids, but the kids watch, they can follow along as well. I'm also going to have fun facts about giraffes as we do the craft. Step 1, we're going to make the neck and the face. So imagine this will be the neck, and then we're going to make legs here. So you're going to cut a sliver down the side. Imagine this is the neck. You will choose how long you'd like the neck and the body. So I cut the back off, so as you can see, this will be the neck. Then we just fold down just the top inch. This is now the face. Face, neck, and we're gonna make some legs. We're gonna cut those out. So what I did here, I cut out a square in the front. So you'll imagine the 2 front legs here. A square on the side, a square on the side, and a little bit in the back. You don't have to have a tail, but I made a little tail. So I cut up 2 slits, little tail, and we have 2 arms and 2 legs. The neck, and we have the face. I'm gonna cut out the face a little so we can have some ears. These don't need to be perfect. We have a little face, some little ears here, our neck, and the body. Next step, we paint our giraffe. Did you know that giraffes are the tallest animals in the world? So you can make the neck as long as you'd like. I've already put some paint into a little bowl. I'm gonna start painting my giraffe orange. Now my giraffe is any color that you'd like. I made my giraffe orange. Now I'm gonna start drawing on the spots of the giraffe. Fun fact about giraffe spots, no 2 giraffe has the same spots. They are as unique as fingerprints. It's important to have fun when you're doing this. Think out of the box. You can make rainbow colors. You could do real giraffe colors. You could do yellow, you could do pink, you could do blue. Fun fact about giraffe tongues. Do you know that a giraffe tongue is 18 inches long? Perfect for grabbing leaves out of the trees. Now that I've completed all of the spots and painted my giraffe, I'm gonna put her little eyes on. They're gonna go right here, right on the face. So I'll put a little bit of glue. Fun fact about a giraffe baby, did you know that giraffe babies are as tall as full-grown adults when they're born? My googly eyes are a little big for my giraffe, but he still looks really cute. And there you have it, a super easy and fun way to make little giraffes out of recycled paper towel rolls. You can put these all over your home or school. You can teach other kids about fun facts about giraffes so we can help protect them and their habitat forever.